everybody, how's everybody doing? I have a little short video for you today. I was getting ready to clean out some of my stamps that I was using, and I thought, I'm going to, especially for the newcomers, show them what I do. I do not buy stamp cleaner. I haven't bought stamp cleaner for years. I make my own because it's so economical and it's so easy. Dollar store bottle, squirt bottle. You can use any size you want. And then all you need is, like I said, a squirt bottle. I use distilled water, and the only reason I use distilled water is because I have it for my iron anyway, just for safety precautions. I don't have any problem with my water here, but still I use this, and distilled water is something that especially if you have contacts, you probably have some of that anyway. But anyway, regular water will do just the same. You need a baby shampoo. Any baby shampoo will do. And the reason for baby shampoo is because baby shampoo has no additives and so forth. It's just plain shampoo, soft shampoo, and it will not hurt your stamps. And you do not need a big bottle like this. If you go to the demo, or not the demo, but the travel size, that'll be fine, because you can see I have maybe this much gone, and I've had this bottle for a few years now. So, oh my gosh, yeah, I've had this for quite a while. And then you need some glycerin, and you'll get the glycerin usually at, in the Walmart department of where all the pharmacy is, or the pharmacy. I have Life Products. If you're Canadian, you know that's Shoppers Drug Mart, but any drugstore will carry this. Everything is not expensive at all, and it goes a long way. I've had this bottle for, oh my God, humongous years. I bet you I've had this bottle for about 10 years, and probably the same with this one. And I've only got that much use out of it. So even a smaller bottle, this will do. And this is a 250 millimeter. That's a 592. And well, water is water. You do not have to purchase your water. All you need to do this is you will take a half a cup of distilled water, just a half a cup of that, and then you'll use 1 teaspoon of baby shampoo, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of glycerin. Just use a cup, put that in, mix it up, and you can use your kitchen stuff if you want to mix it up, and wash it afterwards, because there's nothing here that's going to hurt your utensil to use in your food after. So you have your glycerin, you have your baby shampoo, and you have your distilled water. So that's a half a cup of distilled water, 1 teaspoon of baby shampoo, 2 teaspoons of glycerin. You need a spray bottle. You may have one home from leftovers from something that you've used to squirt or whatever. Maybe you have a Tim Holtz this size. That'll hold it too. And you end up with a bottle of cleaner. And it works like a charm. All I do is I'll spray my stamps, whether it's on the block or it's not, with a piece of paper towel. I will wipe them all. It takes all the grease of your fingers off, all the oils, and the stuff that and the colors, obviously, if you're going to use them. I have used these for embossing recently, so this is full of, well, it was, I've already cleaned them, full of Versamark. So there you go, and it cleans your blocks spick and span clean, with no oils on it afterwards. And then you can just put your stuff away knowing that it's clean, soft, and if it takes a year before you use it again, it won't be brittle because of the glycerin and the baby shampoo that you've used. So that's my tip for today, guys. Stamp cleaners, block cleaners, half a cup, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons. Have a great day, and we'll be back with another video in a short while. Oh yeah, don't forget your spray bottle. Have a great time, guys. Craft and be happy. Bye-bye.